Hey, testing 1, 2, testing. I think we're live. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are live. We are live. Good morning, Black Coffee, Matty Matt, Trash Step. Oh man, that's what a crazy night and a lot of drama. I'm sure we'll get into that later. Jack Wiley, good morning. Frozen North, Jake Dell. Micro Player, good morning, John. Trash Step, I like it. Timbo, good morning, Timbo. Oh, let's go, John. You passed the Take Profit Trader eval that you won in the duck race. Love it. Let's go, John. Jim, JB, good morning. Benson, good morning. Dean Bishop, touchdown. Good morning. Future Gamma Scalper. Matty Matt, if I didn't say, good morning, Matty Matt. RXHX Michael, Almighty Trading, good morning. Niles, SRQ Trader, Peter Schaap, Golf Guy Mike, Naruto, Dave Mack, good morning. Zugfest, Jim O. All right, fellas, let's do this. Let's have a good session. So pre-market, I'm kind of looking at the overnight lows. The 280s, I kind of want to see what happens here at the 280s. Maybe, I don't know, we can, right now, market is kind of choppy, kind of a choppy open. The daily chart, I think the daily chart's kind of, if we can make a move back above yesterday's highs, that's kind of where we need to make a move above yesterday's highs in order for me to look for longs. If we don't make a move above the 420s and hold it, then I'm just gonna be waiting and see. Maybe we take out yesterday's lows. I might look for a buy at the overnight lows. But basically anything between the 280s and the 420s. 280s and the 420s, I think we're just going to see a lot of chop. Not saying I won't trade it if we start putting in a nice trend, but I'm going to be pretty patient today. I have locked out. I am locked out on my Take Profit Trader accounts already. We have locked in another solid $200 day. We'll take it. We will take it. All right, we're trying. It looks like we're trying to go lower. We're going to be trading our Apex accounts. Also, I've been watching ES a lot more. I have been watching ES a lot more. I don't know. So far, I can't say that I'm that excited about trading ES, so I'm basically just watching it right now. I just want to start watching it a little bit more. Hey, look who's here. Good morning, Design Knob. Timely Bible verse. Good morning. Good to see you. That one, good morning. Morning checklist is complete. He lost some Lucid yesterday. We don't talk about Tradeify. That's right. Yeah, we only have one Lucid account remaining. And then there was one. So, I mean, I'm just going to, like I said, I'm going to be aggressive on this one Lucid account. Hey, if we can get it to a payout, then great. If not, it's fine. We will reload the tops. We'll reload Tradeify and Lucid. I'll probably do one or the other. You know what? Let me check something. What are my expenses currently for the month of November or Feb? Why did I say November? Jeez. It's not November, it's February. So my current expenses for February so far are $2,864. So we need to stay within our $5,000 budget. So technically I could buy the Lucid accounts, I think. So maybe, I don't know. We'll see. By the way, I don't know what the deal is. Actually, hang on. I need to check something. It's having some issues connecting my bank or connecting for a withdrawal on Take Profit. Not sure why. Whoa, okay. All right. I'm interested if we come test the 280s, I will that's what I'm waiting on that. It feels like we want to go test that overnight low. Hey, good morning, Bella. How's it going? Hope you had good travels. Hope you had safe travels. Good morning, Dabda. How we doing? Space Station Trading, good morning. Space Station Trading, good news, chat. Let's go. 70K payout approved from Apex. Round of applause for Space Station Trading. Let's go, chat. Space Station Trading, bringing home the money. Oh, man, that's a sick payment. That's a sick payout. 70K. So you had to have the 300K accounts, right? Wow, let's go. And you're not even an influencer, and Apex banned him. That's crazy. Let's go, Space Station. For some reason, for those of you guys, I'm just wondering, okay, the 300K accounts, no online presence. See, chat? Guy has no online presence and he got approved. I thought only influencers got payouts approved. I love it. Okay, guys, I need your input. On Take Profit Trader, is anybody else having issues connecting their bank account? For some reason, I've never had issues before, but I just keep getting an error message. And I'm wondering if it's just something on the site or what the deal is. Maybe it's me. Okay, getting a bounce here. We did not test. We tested the 300s. Come on, market. I wanted you to test the 280s. My bank account is full. No more room for money. That's just a straight cap, right? That's a cap right there. That's funny, John. I wish that was the case. I wish. Okay, hang on. We got to be paying attention here. This is always where it's a little bit scary trying to, I mean, you're basically, you feel like I'm catching a falling knife here, but come on. I want to see it test the 280s. Okay, here we go. Come on. Sweep the 280s and let's see if we can get something going. All right, here we go. All right.
Order filled.
Need to be quick here. I'm not going to be. All right. See how I want to see a 30-point bounce here, hoping. If not, we kill it. Move on. Man. All right, I'm out. I don't like it. If we get any kind of reaction here, I'll get back in, but I'm not going to hold. This feels kind of dumpy. It's feeling kind of dumpy. Man, I need to use the restroom really bad. Oh, that okay.
Order filled.
Now we're bouncing. I'm going to try it. We're going to try it here. Man. Come on. Oh, yeah, that's it. Keep going. Oh, I was too slow. I was too slow. Come on. Come on. Come on, go. Go. This is where I got to be careful not to get too greedy. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Right here. Do it. We got to pump it right here. I'm killing it. Gotta go. Gotta go. Go, 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 go. Oh, we were so close. All right. I'm gonna kill it. It's being a little bit sluggish here, so I'm just gonna take it off. Hey, Autumn, good morning. Rake top step over the coals. Yeah. Dude, I cannot believe what Top Step is. What they're doing is that's crazy. They definitely they're definitely not having a good time over there. Pretty crazy. All right, now one thing. So if we go down below the 280s after 10:15 and we start going lower, then I'm just gonna look for the pullback strategy. Man, look at this. I stopped out literally right at the bottom wick. Should have just been a little more, should have allowed it a little more wiggle room. I'm still like learning on how to trade this opening, like from 9:30 to 10 o'clock it's going to be a work in progress for me. Man, we're just stuck here now. I mean, it seems like it wants to bounce, but definitely getting a lot of pressure here. Still trying to connect my bank account. Give me a minute, guys. I need to... Oh, are we going to make new lows? I'm not going to take another entry off the 280s here. I'm not taking another one. I'm just going to wait. If we start selling off down below the 270s, might be time. It might be time. Oh, and there's a new low. All right, I need to start I want to see the 60-minute. We start I mean, if we start going down below the 220s, I don't know, we might need to look at shorts today, chat. Shorts might be in play today. Oh, gold is dumping. Oh, I see. Oh, wow. Gold again. Gold's been having a pretty major area of resistance up here at the 5100s. Seems like gold can't get above that 5100. So once again, pulling back. Last time we pulled back all the way to the 5,000, the 5010s. So is silver? Yeah, silver's also interesting. Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, we're getting a pump higher now. Okay, now we got some options here. Looks like this 270, 280 area is gonna, it looks like it might hold. Yeah, now all of a sudden we're ripping higher. The bulls are back. What did you miss with Top Step? Their live program, they completely redid it. And basically, if you go live, you only have access to 20%. Only 20% of your capital from the profits in your XFA is now available to trade in your live account. And they got some kind of BS about, you know, once you reach certain parameters, you get access to more. But they're basically capping the live program to 20% of your XFA profits, which makes them just completely in my opinion, irrelevant. I mean, that to me, like, what is the purpose? I mean, in the past, like, they would have a 50K cap, which, you know, it was still kind of, it kind of sucked, but at least the reason it sucked before is you still could only get 50% of your profits until you get 30 traded days. But at least there was a path. Like, there was a pretty clear path to getting all of your profits, where now it's like, dude, it's so bad. Like, I don't get it. It's literally a 20-80 profit split. Okay, and here's the thing. Top Step knows this, and I know this. If you go into a live account, the chance that they will get to the second goal and the third goal, they know the percentages are like minuscule. So they know they essentially I mean, it's crazy. What's even crazier is it is active now. So even if you currently have XFA accounts, they are going to enact this new live feature, like, starting right now. So, I mean, it's crazy to me. I don't know. I mean, it makes you wonder if Top Step is in trouble. And I suspect, I mean, I think at this point you can almost say with certainty, but I'm going to say I think my opinion is they got absolutely taken to the cleaners in the last 2-3 months with metals. I think they just got rinsed with metals because, again, that's the downside on it. Like, no consistency rule, and people were just running up accounts like crazy. And, you know, it's crazy, man. But yeah, that whole Top Step change, dude, I mean, that shocked me. I never thought they would do that. Like, I mean, that's crazy. It's literally an 80-20 profit split. At this point, you are better off making sure you don't make much money in your XFAs and just take out as much as you can and then go back into the XFAs. Just blow your XFAs and then go back and rinse and repeat. The problem is that is making all of this even worse. Top Step now is putting people to the live program after their first or second payout in the XFA. So they're not even waiting for people to get 5 payouts on the XFA. It's just an immediate nerf. It's literally, I mean, I know you guys, you know, I know we complain about Apex's eval ban, but in a sense, that is exactly what Top Step is doing, in a sense of nerfing it's just they will just nerf you. And I think, you know, if you run up any kind of balance on the XFA in that initial first 5-10 days, probably just going to get moved into the live account because they immediately just cap 20%, like they are capping 80% of your profits. So of course they're going to move people to live like faster. Like, wow, look at this move. Look at this move, chat. Chat, we called the 280s again, that overnight low sweep. This is the second day in a row. This was perfectly played out. I should have had a little bit more conviction for the second day in a row. But I tell you what, this overnight low, overnight high, 2 days in a row now has worked really well. All right, we're testing the 400s. Let's see if we rip up through it. Again, for me to look at longs, we need to get above the 420s and hold. We got to get above the 420s and hold the 420s. And then I want to just see, same as I want to see exactly like yesterday. Get above the 420s. Start a slow grind higher. That's what I'm looking for. But hey, good morning, Tim. Good morning, Tim. But yeah, did you see the spreadsheet? Yeah, I did. They were absolutely getting rinsed. Absolutely getting rinsed. Oh no, Autumn, I'm sorry. That candle just ended your day for good. Oh man, I'm sorry. Yeah, Take Profit Trader just got caught in a trade. Wait, you just got caught in a trade that would not exit, finally out green. Was that on, obviously on Tradeovate, Dave Mack, I assume? Hey, good morning, Lynn Davenport. Good morning. Oh, for the good, Autumn. Oh, ended your day for the good. Okay, now I get it. Now I get it. Let's go, Autumn. That's awesome. So Tradeovate is lagging for you guys? Oh, no. Hey, Diego, how we doing? Good morning. I'm doing great. Let's go, Autumn. Wow, let's see if we breach the 400s here. No, John, it cost you 700. See, I mean, that's one area that Take Profit needs to get better at. Acknowledging the outages. Wow, look at this rip. Look at this nice, we're testing. I mean, this is where, like, it would be tempting to short the 420s. I just can't bring myself to do it. Like, I can buy the dips, but I can't short the rips higher. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. But yeah, at this point, I know for me, I have zero desire to trade with Top Step. There's just, I mean, it's just not enough upside where it's just not worth it. I think MP saw the spreadsheet with all the metal payout liability. I mean, K Trader, obviously something. Like I said, Top Step doesn't make those kind of changes if they don't have to. There's, to me, I think that's pretty safe to say. They don't make those changes unless they have to. You can't look at that and be like, oh yeah, they changed that for the better for the trader. There's no shot. I know, Design Knob. Hey, listen, Design Knob. What? I mean, again, this is not financial advice. But I did some research and I was looking at I think I looked at the last 8 weeks, okay? And the last 8 weeks, this is what I've noticed. From 9:30 to 10:15, sometimes 10:30, basically that first hour of the New York Open, that is when the most V-shaped reversals happen. So that's why I'm just eliminating kind of my core strategy on that time frame. Like from 9:30 to 10:30, we do not look for pullbacks. We do not look for continuation trades. I only look for V-shaped reversal moves. That's all I do. And then after 10:30, 10:15, then I'm okay just looking for continuation. But I mean, you guys know I hate V-shaped reversals. They still got ROA trades. I do think so too. I mean, I think Top Step is one of the more Top Step and Apex probably have the deepest pockets of any prop firm in the space. They've got really deep pockets, but obviously what was happening with Top Step, they saw that it wasn't sustainable long term. So, I mean, the thing that kind of is more of a red flag to me is the fact that they're making this kind of retroactive. Like, that to me is what makes it a little bit of a head scratcher, because I mean, Top Step is not known to do retroactive changes. They are not. But this change is technically retroactive, because if you currently have XFAs, it doesn't matter when you purchase those XFAs. If they move you to a live account from today on, you're going to be on that 80, you're going to be getting only 20% of your profits. And that was not the agreement that you had when you bought the XFAs. To me, that's a problem. Like, I feel like the blowback would not be as bad if they just made it for new XFAs going forward. In my opinion, again, this is just my humble opinion, but the only reason that you make this retroactive is they know, they have all the data, and they can tell, hey, we have this much money sitting, there's this much profits that are sitting in XFA accounts right now, and they know they can basically just cut it in, like, just by this one change. It's crazy how much money they're going to save. It's crazy how much money they are going to save. And they obviously made the decision that they need to do it for, you know, retroactively. So that's the only part of it that really makes me wonder, like, did they get rinsed to the point of, like, where it was really bad? But I don't know. But I mean, it's crazy. I don't know. And then the whole thing with intraday trailing drawdown, I don't know what that was all about. Last night, they basically said that the live accounts have intraday trailing drawdown. They literally said that in their release. But then this morning, they came out and said, actually, no, it's not intraday trailing drawdown. But on the initial release, it clearly said that it's intraday trailing drawdown. So I don't know if they just, like, heard the feedback and decided to revert that change back to just how it was, or did the initial release just do it incorrect? Like, I don't know. I think they decided to change that this morning. David Park. Here's a tip. All of these prop firms are in business to make money, not lose money. Oh, Design Now. I couldn't agree more. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, Apex has made some changes where, you know, and it's like any prop firm. There's no prop firm that isn't, okay, and I like, okay, this is just my 2 cents, but a prop firm sometimes needs to make changes. And a good example is trading metals. Like, it's pretty obvious that trading metals was a problem for prop firms. Now, I know Tradeify and Lucid, you can still trade metals. I don't know for how long. The reason that you can still trade metals is they have a pretty hard protection and a pretty hard cap on how much you can run up an account. So you can only run up an account a certain amount, if you know what I mean. So that protects them, but it like, obviously that was a problem. That was obviously a problem, but I don't know. It's crazy. I mean, the downfall of Top Step in the last 3 months needs to be studied. Like, they went from, I mean, what is their Trustpilot reviews right now? It's gotta be, oh, snap, boys, we are breaking out. We are breaking out above the 420s now. All right. I mean, this is what I wanted. Now I just gotta start making higher highs and just slow grind higher is all we need. That was a nice breakout above the 420s. Very nice. So take profit trader is lagging. Wow. Well, I'm glad that I locked out. I am done trading. What is going on? I can't log into Lucid Trading. Lucid Trading seems to be, their website seems to be down. Not sure what that's about. Look at this thing go. 440s, 450s, trying to push it. Wow. I mean, I like it. Now we just got to wait. You just lagged in my Lucid accounts as well. So it might be Tradevate as a whole is lagging. It's down. Yeah, R5 Studio. It's down because everyone came over from Top Step. But dude, since Top Step had the debacle with Project X, like, man, it's been rough out. It's the downturn has been, that needs to be studied. Because Top Step went from, I don't even know what their rating was 3 months ago, but man. Let me see. Most recent reviews. Most recent reviews. 1 star, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. Hey, we found a 5 star. 1 star, 1 star. It's bad, man. Yikes. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. All right, market 430s. If we pull back into like 420s, then I could take a stab here. Hey, Max 90, how am I doing? I'm doing great. Had a decent overnight session, and we're doing great. If I'm in a live account with them, with who? With Top Step? No, I'm not. No, I'm not trading Top Step at the moment. Priya is lagging. Yeah, it seems like. Hey, Harley Trades. Good to see you, Harley Trades. Good morning. After about 2 weeks, I requested my first payout with TPT today. Hope they are quick. Hey, let's go. Congrats. I mean, usually it's within 24 hours. Just bought a Lucid account. Their website went down. Yeah, I was looking at Lucid as well, and it seemed like their website was down. Market looking strong once again. Imagine the chat on Top Step. Oh my goodness. Is Top Step live? Are they live? I don't even know. Yeah, it's gotta be brutal. remember, remember guys when Project X was having issues? Oh, it was so funny watching Top Step. It was like, well, we're gonna end stream, and they would just end it. I don't know, Harley Trades. I mean, you definitely don't make those changes unless there's some problems, but I don't know. I don't know enough to say. Only way they survive is a successful lawsuit. Maybe that's their that's how they're gonna have, that's their cash flow plan. Yeah, RX. It was hilariously awkward watching a Top Step when those. Oh, it was cute. I thought it was cute.
I'll fade yourself. You're fading
Think
yourself.
about this.
Fading myself as a newbie.
Think about this. I mean, Dalton says at best, I think he says, 90% of
It's too funny.
They're not going to.
Where's Coach Dakota's?
So if you're doing what they're doing,
Coach Dakota. Where's Coach Dakota when he just kind of very quiet, huh? Oh wow, look at this pullback. Coach Dakota's. Yeah, hate to see it. All right, we got to be careful here. I'm not going to jump in. This thing looks like, oh snap. Look out, boys. This looks like a lot more than a pullback. We're just going straight down. Wow, that's 440s down to the 360s. 80-point red candle right there. Got to be careful here. Man, is it just gonna rip straight back up? Still lagging, John. Up top, mate, 2K. Let's go, John. John said, watch this. Let's go, John. Love it. All right, I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. And we're back. Oh, dear. Man, I feel like I almost need to take this trade. I wish I would have been able to get the entry right here at the 380s. I feel like I'm kind of chasing this. I hate chasing this, especially right at the 400s. Man, my entry should have been right at the 380s, and I missed. That was an expensive, how would I say, bathroom break. Yeah, this thing's gonna go now, isn't it? It's unfortunate. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. I have the same challenge. Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna have to be patient and wait for the next pullback, I guess. Because there it goes. There she goes. Yeah, entry at the 380s. Target it. No, I mean, it is what it is. We can't chase it. Hey, thank you, Clarity Trader. Yeah, I'm trading this Lucid account. I'm taking I'm taking 4 minis. So we're going bigger size on it. This has been a 4-month shakeout for Leap options. Hope it breaks one way or another soon. I see. Hey, good morning, Trader on Tilt. Man, I wish I was long. This bothers me now. That was a big dump, though. That was a big red candle. But we're just gonna go straight back up. Ah. Hey, good morning, Bob. Look at the 1 hour. Yeah, trading 4 minis is no joke. Trust me. It is, it's pretty wild. Oh, I see. ES made a double top, pulling back a little bit. I think the right move here is just to be patient. Just gotta be patient. Hey, good morning, TCM Trades. That was a bus stop. The bus is running late today. This is now the time of day. Like from now until I'm done trading, this is where I need to be the most disciplined. From what it's very, oh, wow, look at that. All right, glad I didn't chase that move. Now, are we going to go, if we lose the 360s here, this is just now trading right back in the range. Either we bounce here off the 380s again, or we're going to dump. Glad I stayed out of it. Short again. Let's go, John. Let's go, John. You tell the market, John. You show the market what's up. Do I trade mini on Lucid? Yes, I do, Yoder. I trade really big size on Lucid. Honestly, I'm going to try to get it to pay out here in the next week or so. But I trade 2 to 4 minis on the Lucid account. All right, we're getting a bounce off that 380 again. Or we're trying. I have no desire to mess with this right here. If we go down below the 360s, then we could be testing the low of day again. Do you think Top Step XFA is still worth it? For me, it isn't. For me, it isn't. Honestly, if you want to do the Top Step, you're at this point, you're better off going with either Tradeify and going with the 5-day payout option with a 5K cap. You're either better off going that route or the Lucid route, because right now, from what I have seen and heard, I mean, the XFAs are basically worth it, but from what I've seen and heard, Top Step is taking people live way before the 5th payout. The only reason it makes sense to keep trading Top Step is for the payouts on Sim Funded. Their live program is probably the worst in the industry. Actually, I think that Top Step Live is the worst, and it's not even close. With their new program on live, it's the worst program, and it's not even close. So the problem is they've been moving people live after their first, second payout on the XFAs. So that's why it's not worth it to me, because it's like, well, you get one payout and then get moved live, you're done. It's just, that's why, in my opinion, at least for me, it's like, yeah, I'm just not worth messing with. Just not worth it. Yeah, I agree, Harkzor. I mean, I've used Top Step the last 3-4 months. I've gotten quite a bit of payouts from Top Step. But I mean, these recent changes are trash. But hey, keep jabbing. Keep jabbing, guys. Is it true that they have trailing drawdown in live? When they initially came out with it yesterday, they said it was intraday trailing, but now they've switched it up and said it's not. So it's trash step. With Tradeify, I think you lose sim funded profits when they take you live. No, only up to a certain, like, they have a cap. That if you make over a certain amount, then you would lose those. But no, you can have 5 live accounts, which is really nice. They used to be that way, Psychopathic Trader, but they changed it. Oh, if you lose sim funded profits when they take you live. Oh, yeah, not really. It depends how much you have, I guess. Did anyone else experience Ninja adding to a position automatically? I was in 2 MNQ. I did not experience anything, Captain Crunch. I only took 2 trades today, though. Bob. You were just hitting buttons and nothing was happening. All right, very choppy here at the 400s. We're just chopping between the 420s and the 380s right now. Trade the range. Hey, good morning, Garrett. Good to see you. Trade the range. It's too easy. All right, here we go. Trying to break. Looks like we're trying. It's trying to break above the 420s, and the 380s did hold again. So I would still say that the bulls have the upper hand here, but we really do need to get back above the 450s. Yeah, I mean, Trade of Eight hasn't been exactly stable the last 2 weeks either. So they've definitely had a couple laggy glitches. And back up above the 420s. Can we make new highs? I should really watch my charts. I do. There's nothing to do right now. We need to get back above the 450s, and I want to see us start that slow grind higher. By the way, yesterday, man, I'm so happy that I walked away when I did yesterday. So yesterday, I think I ended stream somewhere in here, and we did grind higher a little bit, but the rest of the session was pretty sideways. Definitely didn't feel like I missed a whole lot in the afternoon session. And it's been like that lately. We seem to do the grind higher, but then at like 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it just gets very stagnant, and we can just go sideways, and it's difficult. I'm not interested in trading that time. Also, I have another, I know this is hard. It's really difficult, but I have to go golfing again today. I have to go golfing again today. It's a rough life out here. It's rough, but I'm going to try to survive. I'll try to survive. And we're pulling back right back into the 400s. How is the golf game? Honestly, yesterday, I played yesterday. We played a scramble. I just played scramble. I just don't play well in a scramble. I try to swing too hard, and honestly, it messes me up sometimes. I had fun. We had a lot of fun. So that's the only thing I'll say. I didn't play exactly. I did not play great. Didn't play great, but we had fun. Bulls had to get back above the 420s. Yeah, I mean, I feel like the Bulls got to get back above the 450s. Right now, we're just chopping. Seems like we're just kind of stuck. I mean, the Bulls are still in control, though. Like, the Bulls are definitely in control. Like, man, I can't believe for the second day in a row, we literally took a trade at the bottom. Took a trade right at the bottom, and we just didn't hold. You hit 100K in sim profits with my fund of futures. Do you get banned? I have no idea, Diego. Honestly, I haven't traded my fund of futures in a long time. I have really not been paying attention to my fund of futures much. Man, this could be a tempting long here. It really could. Hang on one second. Hey, we're back. Wow, look at this market. Oh, man. Yeah, real sharp trades. Yes, I was having issues with the Lucid account or Lucid website as well. Couldn't get on it. All right. And I mean, this is kind of a tempting long. Tempting long, but we're kind of just, we're diddling in the middle. I might try for 1 micro.
Order filled.
1 micro, see if we can't, we seem to be holding this pretty well. It's not a great setup though.
Order submitted.
Not great. I'm just gonna look, I think I'm just gonna look for the 420s. And we're once again stalling. Gotta break above the 400s. Thought we broke above, but looks like we're just gonna pull back again. Come on, rip it. Hey, Lynn Davenport. You're welcome. You're welcome. What course am I playing today? I'm going to play Bobby Jones. I'm going to play Bobby Jones today. Come on, market. Just rip it. Do it. Come on, market. I don't know. I don't like this. Feels like this thing's going to make a drop down below the 80s here. But we shall wait. All right, maybe we can go. Rip it. Back above the 410s. Come on. You can do it. Don't fake out. Don't fake out. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. You broke above the 10s. Now you need to break above the 20s. How far away? Oh, I don't know. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe. Something like that. Depends on the traffic. Lynn Davenport, I'm sorry. There's still hope. There's still hope. Come on, don't reject the 410s here, please. Come on, man. It's going to be choppy. It is going to be choppy today. come on, just go. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Up above the 430s. Can we do it? Fill
Order
me.
filled.
Thank you. We'll take that on a choppy day. We will take it. And we're right back down. Yeah, this market feels like it's going to be a very... I'm sorry, Lynn Davenport. I'm sorry. Any relation to Bob Evans? I know black coffee. Oh. Yeah, I wish... it's too bad. Too bad you guys can't be here. Maybe next year. Maybe next year. Hey, still up on the day. Let's go. Hey, take care, Harley Trades. Thanks for stopping in. Wow, look at that. Right back down. Man, we took profit at the right time, I guess. I'm sorry, Lynn Davenport. Don't look at the chart right now. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Uh-oh. Wow, look at that dump. 390s. Do I speak Pennsylvania Dutch with my wife and kids? Yeah, sometimes. It is, my kids don't talk, they can't really speak Pennsylvania Dutch that well. So if they're around, we'll be usually speaking English, but if it's just me and my wife, we'll be more likely to speak in Pennsylvania Dutch. John, another 500. John, yeah, sometimes. I mean, you've seen it, John. Sometimes you got to show the market who's boss, right? Sometimes you just got to put your foot down and you got to draw a line somewhere. You got to make sure the kids speak it. Yeah, I know. It's difficult. We're trying to, but is PA Dutch like gold member? I don't know. How do you say hello in Dutch? I mean, technically, it would just be hello. Like the way you say, how are you? That you say, wie bist du? Wie bist du? That is, how are you in Dutch. Man, this is almost tempting me to take another long. You could almost, but now we're putting in a wedge here. We're making higher highs and lower, or we're making higher lows and lower highs. So not ideal. Probably just gotta wait this one out. Guten Tag, ja, wie geht's? The hoodie trader, es geht gut. Yeah, so it is a dialect of German. So if you can speak German, like okay, if we hear someone talk in German, if we hear someone talk in German, we can pick it out, like kind of. But if they're talking really fast, it becomes difficult. But Pennsylvania Dutch is like a dialect. It's like a dialect of German. So it's yeah, sprechen Sie Deutsch. You know, I can like kannst du Deutsch sprechen? Yeah, like I know that, but it's different. Like the Pennsylvania Dutch is still a little bit different than that, but you can definitely tell that it's coming from the same dialect. Pennsylvania Dutch is not a dialect of actual Dutch. No, it isn't. No, it's more from the German. Yeah, it's, I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to think how to explain it, but all I know is if someone is speaking German, I can you can understand them just because of the Pennsylvania Dutch language. Sehr gut. Guten Morgen. Wie geht's? Ja, ich bin fertig gut. I don't know why they call it PA Dutch then. I have no idea, DC fan for life. I have no idea. Deitch. Yeah, that's why people have mistranslated it as Dutch. Yeah, it's probably true, Robert. It's probably true. That would make sense. Schnell, take a trade. Man, this market might not give me another trade. Might not give me another setup here. Man, this has been pretty bad price action today, really. I mean, the main trade was just, that 280, buying at 280. That was it. That was the one. And then just trying to hold, but I really need to do better with holding my trades. I have a hard time holding trades in the morning, like from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. It's difficult to hold, but that's where if you do hold, you can get rewarded by some really, really nice moves, but it can go against you really, really quickly. Hey, you had a few Apex PAs, and one time they asked me to keep sending screenshots of my trades every day. When was that, Diego? I blew them already, and now I have a new batch. Do I have to keep doing that? No, you don't, Diego. No. Okay, we are going lower, folks. We are now below the VWAP. Interesting. Man. It almost talked me into a short. See if we retest the low of day. Down below the 350s now. Oof. Any giveaways this week? Yes, Robert, we'll definitely be doing giveaways. We'll definitely be doing giveaways this week. I promise, John. It's okay, John. It's okay, John. If you just don't watch, if you just like don't tell me that you're short, then I think it's okay. But if I know you're short and I go short, I think that's when we have issues. Oh, really? Oh man, I might take this long. Oh, do I do it?
Order filled.
I'm going to do it, chat. I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be greedy here.
Order submitted.
Come on, don't fake me out here. Do not fake me out. John, you should be golden. Come on. All right, I might kill this. We got to rip here immediately, or I'm going to close this. Come on, dude. All right, I give up. I'm just not messing around. I ain't going to mess around. It didn't want to go. I thought it wanted to go, but it didn't want to go. This is the chart trader from Affordable Indicators, Yoder. Don't go on tilt RX. Don't do it. Yes, hit the like button, guys. I don't beg for likes. I just assume. I don't beg for likes. I just assume you guys, if you like the video, that you'll like it. I should probably do it more, but I don't. It's fine. Yeah, I know, John. I'm listening. I'm listening to him talk about not addressing the elephant in the room. Hey, red haired, how we doing? Good to see you. D Money begs for it every 5 minutes. I don't care. I guess I don't care enough about my likes. You know, my YouTube isn't monetized. Nothing is monetized on YouTube. So if you like the video or not, it really doesn't affect my life. That's why I don't really ask for likes. It's like, I guess I don't really care. But I've heard if you like the video, that it'll recommend it to more people, and then you'll grow the channel and blah, 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 and then we'll become millionaires. But we'll be fine. Yeah, today's a choppy day. Today, honestly, not a terrible day to walk away. I'm going to try. This is one of those days where you see profit, you take profit. You see profit, you take profit. Hey, TCM Trades. Thank you, TCM. You're too kind. Won't more people see the channel? Well, I don't know if that's actually true. Like, I don't know. I don't know if people like the video more. Does that actually make a difference? Like, will it actually? I have no way of like, I don't know. But like I said, hey, if you like the video, like it. If you don't, whatever. I'm gonna keep streaming anyway. So it's really not gonna change much what I do. It's not gonna change it's not gonna change really anything of what I do. So you guys are gonna have to put up with me if you like the video, dislike the video, or do nothing. I'm just gonna be here anyway. So you're just gonna have to put up with me anyway. So man, this is very tempting long here. I'm trying not to do it. I'm trying just not do it. I just need to wait. You're just putting out, you're bullish as well. Okay. Good to know, man. Yeah, I just know if I go watch a stream, like if I go watch a stream, no offense to people that do it. I know why they do it, but when I go watch someone trade or watch a streamer and every 5 minutes they're asking people to like the video and it makes me want to, it just makes me tune somewhere else. I turn it off and I go watch somewhere else. That's just me. Just not, I don't know. I don't watch people to beg for likes. Can I open and close trades on Apex account to count as a trading day? So you can do that for 3 days of the 8 days, Alistair. So 3 of the 8 days, yes, you can do that. Diego. Okay, I'm glad I didn't chase the longs.
Here. Hey Adam, good to see you. How you doing?
Oh dear. Yeah, Diego, I'm listening to him. I'm wondering what he's got to say, but of course they're not addressing the elephant in the room. And try, if you listen, it's for the better of the trader, guys. Okay? I promise. They're not giving you access to your profits. They're only giving you access to 20% of your profits. It's to protect you. Okay? It really is. You just have to trust me. Oh man. But hey, keep jabbing. Keep jabbing, chat. Yeah, they know better. They know how to spend that money more than you do. Oh, you hear it. It's crazy, man. I love how he's like, oh, there's some rumors about how the daily loss limit is intraday. All right, let you want to have it this, you know why? You know why there's rumors about it, Mr. Patak? I'll tell you why. Wait a minute, just hang on. Give me a minute. I'll show you why. This is why. Because this is literally what it said. Trader may not hit or exceed daily loss limit. The daily loss limit is calculated intraday. But we're spreading rumors. maybe, just maybe, fire the guy that wrote this if that's not true. You know what I think? I think they were going to make it intraday, and they were testing the feedback. So they wrote it like this to see what people would say, and they were kind of gauging the feedback, see if people really, freaked out about it and crashed out, they'll be like, oh no, that's not right. That's not true. But if people didn't say much, they were just going to keep it in there. That's my 2 cents. But hey, keep jabbing, guys. Keep jabbing. Oh, we're so cooked. Oh, man. Yeah, you were doing you were doing a lot of payouts and you were getting sent to the cleaners. And now you just cap the pay, like you nerf payouts like crazy. That's why. Idiot. Yeah, it's crazy. The gaslighting is crazy. Oh man. If I seen the payout list for Apex for January, I have not. I have not. It's on the Top Step TV, yes. Exactly, R5 Studio. Like, I don't know. Oh, I just don't know why people are spreading this false information. False information about intraday drawdown. And then you look on their website and it literally says it. Bunch of idiots. Their chat is they're getting cooked by chat right now. They're, like I said, I tweeted this last night. Top Step is literally about 2 months away from bringing affiliates back on board to try to bring their reputation around. Hold me accountable, guys. Chat, I'm not joking when I say this. If I ever become a Top Step affiliate, please unsubscribe and troll me, please. Please. Clip this. Where's Coach Dakota's? Coach Dakota's, where's their #1 mouthpiece? That isn't an affiliate. Haha, very funny. Man, this market is trash. I mean, they're just saying absolutely nothing. Oh no, am I lagging? Patrick will be the first affiliate they invite back. If Patrick goes back as a Top Step affiliate, I'm going to call him. I will call him out. I'm pretty sure that ain't happening. I'm pretty sure that is not happening. I guess I should never say never, right? Never say never. Man, it keeps giving signals to go long, but Patak is just absolutely avoiding the elephant in the room. It's crazy. Which should tell you a lot. Oh, it's too funny. Yeah, someone I'm just gonna put in chat. I'm gonna elephant. Hang on. Let me see. I might be banned from Top Step, so I did it, chat. Spam elephant in the chat. Oh no, slow mode is on. The elephant in the room has not been addressed, fellas. That's crazy. That is crazy. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. Good to see you. Watch out for the lawsuits. Yeah, I'm not worried. I didn't sign anything. I didn't sign any document that said I wouldn't talk bad about Top Step. So they can't sue me. Oh, my battery died. Oh, snap. Hang on, chat. Dude, he didn't even address the 20% live. Did I miss it, or did they just completely not even discuss the elephant in the room? Did I miss it? Like, they didn't even talk about how they're just going to keep 80% of your profits? That is another level of just wow. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? Okay, they talked about it. When did they talk about it? I must have missed it. Wow, we are actually just we are going lower. Hey, there's our good friend Dakotas. Unblock me, Dakotas. Come on. They talked about it. So the 80% M. Susan. So Top Step changed it. If they tap you on the shoulder and tell you, hey, you did such a great job, we want you now to trade in the live program, you only get to move 20% of your profits into the live program. And then if you want access to more of it, you have to meet all these different goals. And it's a crazy nerf. Crazy nerf. Man, I could take another. I might do it. Oh, do I want to do it? I'm going to do it. This is the last. If I get filled here, I'll be fine. If I don't, I'm fine. But we do seem to kind of be the 350s. I like the wicks that we're seeing here. It's still, I'm only trading one micro, small risk. But this is not great price action. Oh, I forgot to focus. Yeah, sorry. Thanks for letting me know. Now you guys can see me. I forgot when the battery dies, it resets the focus. Why did they move you with only a few thousand? Okay, I saw someone that had, I think they had $10,000 in profits. And yeah, they literally got moved live with 2,000. It's like, what? Like, why? Okay, we might get filled here. And we might not. I want to get filled and just see a big rip right back up to the 390s. And we're in. We're in, chat. Now go. Just rip it higher. Come on. Never mind. That is not ideal. That is not what I wanted to see. I'm just gonna have a stop right here. And we're getting stopped. Yikes. That was a fake out. That was a fake out. Yeah, I'm gonna. That was brutal. That was brutal. It ripped lower. Well, chat, I don't know, man. This is not it today. Today is just not it. It might be a good time to walk away. Oh, really? Now you're going to go higher? Come on. Come on, man. Diego. You're above freezing for the first time in 18 days, David Knight? That's wild. That is wild. You saw me at the TBM video at the conference? Oh, okay. Yeah, it was great meeting TBM, honestly. He was a great guy. He was great to talk to. Yeah, we are definitely in a downtrend right now. I kind of was hoping we'd see a breakout to the upside off of the VWAP, but looks like we might have got shot in the tick. uh All right, we are about to make new low. Well, not new lows. Not new lows on the day, but 330s. Just don't feel like it's worth trading this. The problem is, I feel like this afternoon is probably going to be better price action. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be here. I'm going to be golfing. I'm going to be golfing, so you know, I guess that's just how it be some days. Honestly, I'm very happy about my take profit trader accounts, so hey, if I get $200 a day on take profit trader, I would take that the rest of the year. Yeah, okay, yes. NFP is tomorrow. That might also explain a little bit why this is just kind of not doing anything. But I don't know. Still, I feel like we're going to see a big green candle here and rip to the upside, but so far is just bleeding lower. Don't really want to fight it. Don't want to fight the trend. It took the lows and took the highs. Yeah, Benjamin, very much so. It's taking a break. Yeah, that's a good way to put it, M. Susan. That's actually very true. We've had some very crazy moves. We've had we've had some very volatile, big moves lately. So it would make sense for the market to kind of take a pause the day before NFP. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. I was thinking about maybe I will. Okay, I need to check my budget. Hang on. I love that I now have a budget that I'm tracking. This is my current expenses for the month. Well, this is going to be another 3,300 added to this, so we're net positive by about 4,000 this month, but we got $22 of budget remaining to this month. I was thinking about, okay, which account can I trade from Tradeify? Which Tradeify eval is the one that you can pass in one day? Is it the growth, right? The growth account you can pass in one day, I think. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so I thought about buying 150K growth accounts and try to pass them tomorrow morning on NFP. How much do those cost? Let me look. Gosh, those are so, even with 40, are those 40% off? I mean, it's still 250, it's still $1,000. Yeah, Scalpulator. So I could do $1,000, get some growth accounts, try to pass them. If I don't pass them, then that's it. I'm not going to reset them. I would just try, and if I fail, I fail. Oh, now I see. They have a daily loss limit on the growth on the eval stage, and they have a daily loss limit on the funded, which I'm okay with. Gosh, every time I look at these accounts, I look at the growth accounts, I look at the select accounts on the 150Ks, and I always come back to, I'm like, yeah, it's a better deal to just get the direct to funded accounts. Unless you pass on the first try. If you pass on the first try, then maybe, then obviously it's better with the growth, but there's no activation fee on the growth either. Oh, wow, look at this. It's trying to, is this another fake out? I don't know, guy. I don't know I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. Wait, is CPI on Friday, John? You said CPI on Friday? Let's see. Yeah, so not on it, none for NFP, but then Friday CPI. Ooh. Why don't you pass evals like the way you trade take profit, Charuz? I don't have the patience for. I just feel like I'm wasting time. I don't know. It's probably a bad mindset. It's probably not a good mindset to have, but that's how I feel. If I'm going to take 3 weeks to pass an eval, it's like, I just feel like I wasted 3 weeks of time. I don't know. That's like, my brain might be broken though. So, yeah, so we would have NFP on Wednesday, CPI on Friday. I'm trying to, so which one would be better to try to pass accounts on? Feel like CPI might be better, right, guys? CPI is going to be a better move. Like usually CPI would be a cleaner move than NFP, I believe. Hmm. Hmm. NFP days are notorious for strong reversals. Okay, trade everything. Can you sell a signal for your TBT? No, I cannot, Charuz. As soon as I would do that, I would probably lose immediately. Yeah, trading alien. Yeah, we were talking about that. Why anyone stays with Top Step? Yeah, I don't know. At this point, I don't know. So last year wasted so much time turning. I don't know. Hmm. Man, this is... It's so tempting. It's still tempting me to go long. I'm just not... I'm not going to do it, though. Oh, wow. Look at that. We're just going to bleed lower. Sorry, guys. Let me trying to get something figured out here. What is going on? Hmm. Sorry, guys. Give me a minute. I'm trying to... they're doing a giveaway. Go figure. Go figure. Oh, man. Man, there's a lot of fake outs here. A lot of fake outs to the upside. All right. All right. I think, sorry, I'm trying to do some things here. Having issues with my bank, connecting my bank. Connecting my bank to take profit trader. It's really weird. All right, let's try again. Look at this. Another fake out to the upside. Man. Wow. Look at that. Down we go. Man, it actually would have, the right play was just going with the trend here and just, you know, just take those short entries, but this is just terrible price action. Really don't have any desire to trade this. John, you're still short? Let's go. Hey, let's go. Aren't those pullbacks not fake outs? Yeah, it is, RJ Wheel. Yeah, you're right. Which account type do you choose after passing a Tradify Flex account? I always go with the 5-day payout instead of the daily payout. I don't like the tight stop. I don't like the daily loss limit on the daily payouts. That's, yeah, so I lean towards doing the 5-day payouts. So, but I guess, yeah, depends kind of how you trade. All right, man. Well, you know what? This is just not great at all. I think I'm going to call it. I think I'm going to call it here, and I got to go golf, you know? So I got to go golf. So I think I'm going to call it here and walk away. I'm actually not that upset about a small green day. Small green day on a day like today, I'll take it. I'll take it. You haven't heard Ben and Rose in a while. Oh, now that you mention it. Doesn't daily payouts give you less drawdown and a day loss, even though you have the option to take money? Yeah, exactly, Harkzor. Yep. Yeah, golf might be more profitable if I play skins. I don't know about that. The way I've been golfing recently, I'm not too sure about that. So, all right, guys, I think I'm going to call it. I think I'm going to call it here, and we'll be back again tomorrow. We will be back again tomorrow. So, yeah, I don't know. I feel like tomorrow's NFP market seems to just be chilling. So, all right, guys, I'm going to call it here. Thanks again, everyone, for tuning out or tuning in. Sorry. We'll be back tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you stay green and take care and God bless.